So, your boy done took a crazy trade. Your boy done took a crazy trade in Q2. And all I know is Q2 will be a great trading month. Well, quarter, I would say. And we are gonna get the bag and we are gonna kill the markets and bury this brokers. But on today's video, breaking down to you guys the simplest strategy that I always share, that I've always used to share. Check out my previous videos or just check on my trade breakdowns and just say Spiso Harlem NASDAQ bullish person, and you're gonna see what I'm talking about. But I'm sorry, I just have a little cold. But as you guys are, if you don't understand how to trade a person, a bullish person, today I'm here to break down to you, and I'm here to change your trading and make you understand how to trade your persons. But before we get ahead on the video, like on the video, share the video, leave a comment on the video, subscribe to the channel, and subscribe to our second channel, the fast and growing channel, which we're aiming for a 10K target. I know you're gonna subscribe to the channel. We share crypto updates, crypto exclusive updates, whether it's Bitcoin, TRX, XRP, Polygon, XLM. Even they are known, we break them down. So click that link and subscribe to our second channel. And if you're looking to be mastered and to be mentored by COT Academy for 3 days, we're having an in-person mentorship course, an exclusive one where we break down everything to you for 3 days. Make sure that you don't leave that room without having the mindset and the strategy that you need to kill the markets like we always do. But just like I've said, you guys already know that we're using the best and leading broker, which is QuickTrade. You can clearly see the platform, easy to use, simple, with the trading view terminal, right? So let's move on to the video and let me break down to you guys how you can simply do what I always do and win in the markets. So first things first, there's 3 things that you need to understand when you're trading a person, right? A person don't just occur while the markets haven't confirmed to you the structure. A person won't occur until the markets print out the structure. You can get a reversal pattern which it confirms on its own, right? But this is a continuation pattern, right? And the first thing that you need to understand is what is your structure. Structure was bullish in this instance because we took a bullish flag, right? 2, why the structure that price is holding, which time frame is the strongest. In this instance, the 4-hour was the strongest, but I'm not gonna break down to you guys the 4-hour because I'm making the video short and simple for you guys, right? And then 3, what patterns are you looking to expect based on the behavior of the markets, right? Because you have structure, you have behavior, and you have patterns. This is what I always break down. Check my old videos, right? In this instance, we understood that our structure is bullish on NASDAQ, right? Second thing, we understood that the strongest pair is the 4-hour because that's where we saw the most confluences of price being bullish. And 3, we understood that if the 4-hour continues with the confluence, then I guess the hourly time frame is going to give us continuation patterns. So understanding that, when we now check on the chart so you can understand what I need to break down to you guys. What's this dog doing now? You guys will clearly understand that with a brush, right, because it's what I'll be using, you can tell that a structure is bullish. Where is this now? Sorry. A structure is, why don't I want to use a brush now? A structure is bullish, which is meaning is an uptrend, right? Behavior is going to be what? A bullish behavior with higher highs and higher lows. And your patterns are going to be within those behaviors, right? First things first, let's just say price is giving a bullish push and then it prints out a bullish flag, which is what I'm going to break down to you guys. When you understand how to trade a flag, you need to wait for a break above of your current highs in correlation to price continuing bullish. In this instance, price continues bullish. And what happens from there? Price gives you an exhaustion phase, and then price continues bullish, right? So you now can get the picture into what do I need to share to you guys on this trade breakdown video, because there's only a few things that you need to understand, and based on having to understand those things, it's your behavior was bullish and your patterns were and your structure was bullish. So on this trade, waking up right in the morning, which is obviously I wake up at 5 a.m, right, I already saw from waking up that no, price is literally giving me like what I'm looking for. Price is literally printing out what I'm looking for. But the secret to the video is you also need to master your trading sessions, right? And on this one, it was cleanly the London session, right? So structure, behavior, and patterns don't just go hand in hand. You also need to understand what patterns are you trading based on the confluence and the confluences that you have at the current price, right? So understanding that waking up in the morning, I already saw that price is having an exhaustion phase, and that way we're printing out a bullish flag. So some might disagree that this is not a bullish flag, right? And then some would agree, but in this video, I'm just trying to help out someone. It's not based on an argumentative or debative video. This is just an educational video, right? So understanding that now price gave you this push and then came back with this exhaustion phase, right? And then gave you a continuation push of a push and an exhaustion, and then price shot to the upside. You now will understand that how we took this trade, it was very simple. We simply have to wait, not for too many things, but all you need to wait for based on the flag pattern is to wait for price to break your highs, right? And when I give you an horizontal ray, so you can clearly see those were our highs, right? So you now can clearly tell that, okay, looking for a break above our highs. Price did give us a break above our highs, which was on the London session, because this was the 9 a.m. candlestick on London Open. And then the 10 a.m. candlestick, the candlestick after our London Open, was our execution candlestick. So understanding that based on our execution candlestick, all we now need to focus on is to simply wait for the current candlestick to be for the current candlestick that's moving, which was 10 a.m. in this instance, to trade above our London Open candlestick, which was 9 a.m. Once the 9 a.m. candlestick closes, let's just say it closes at 100 rand, and then from 100 rand, we're looking to buy above 100 rand, right, based on the current candlestick, because the 100 rand candlestick is our confirmation. So the coming candlestick needs to at least trade above 100 rand, 101, 102, so we can look for those anticipations of price continuing to the upside. And when you clearly look at this, price did trade above that candlestick and continued moving to the upside with a push and an exhaustion phase in a continuation push. So understanding this approach will make you understand that the charts are just not hard to master, but you just need to put in the work. You won't see a person like literally waking up 5 a.m. when I opened the charts before I even went to the toilet to take a shit. I just saw that price is having a flat person, and all I told myself is I will go work out, come back from waking out, take a shower, and then be on the charts. And then 10 a.m. if price breaks above, then that's when I'm gonna execute. I mean, it's just that simple, but you have to put in the work. Do you guys get that? So breaking down to you guys this video, it's very simple. Price had a push phase with a bullish flag pattern, which was our exhaustion phase, waiting for our 9 a.m. candlestick to break above, waiting for price to simply break above, not focusing strictly on that session, but this was the London session. This can also happen in the Asian nor the New York or the Sydney, right? So waiting for a break above our current highs gave us a confluence and a correlation and a confirmation that price is continuing moving bullish. So ending the video, I need you guys to understand three things, because I began the video breaking down to you guys three things. One was you need to understand the structure, and then two, you need to understand the strongest time frame based on that structure that you're having, and then three, you need to understand where are you gonna receive your patterns, right? And then ending the video, I'll make you guys understand. You need to understand your patterns because you now know your patterns, right? Understanding your pattern, and you need to understand your trading sessions. And from understanding your trading sessions, you need to be patient enough to wait for a candle close, and that's all you're looking for in the forex markets. Do you guys get it? So I hope I educate you, and I hope I add value in your trading, and I hope I grow your portfolio based on this not being financial advice, but I'll still share to you guys educational videos for educational purposes so we can learn, adapt, and grow and be better traders. Without further ado, this is your boy Harlem. If you came to the end of the video, I just want to give you a thumbs up before you give me a thumbs up, because I know you will, and I know you're gonna subscribe to the channel, and I know you're gonna subscribe to our second crypto channel. And for the most part of it, COT Academy has opened its mentorship courses. And lastly, click that link to trade with the best broker and use a safe and user-friendly platform like we always do. You guys get that. The Super Harlem, and I might catch you guys in the next educational video.